A strategy is a plan, scheme, or trick invented for the special purpose of effective teaching and purposeful learning. It is a long-term plan of action designed to achieve a particular goal. Lawton said that teaching strategy is a generalized plan for a lessons which includes structured desired learner behavior in terms of goals of instructions and an outline of planned tactics necessary to implement the strategy. While methods are directly linked with teaching objectives, on the other hand, teaching strategies are the purposefully conceived and determined plan of action. Thus, teaching or instructional strategies refer to a pattern of teaching acts that serve to attain certain outcomes and to guard against others. Different strategies may be adopted in following a method. Teaching strategies may include different techniques of teaching. Various techniques may be used within the same strategy and method. A teaching strategy assumes that teaching is a science, while method assumes that teaching is an art. The term teaching strategy owes its origin to military science, whereas method is a term of pedagogy. Hence, teaching strategy and techniques are used in order to make the teaching effective, successful, and interesting. In one lesson, a teacher may use many different strategies with different end goals. Some of the most effective teaching strategies are lecture, demonstration, brainstorming, simulation, team teaching, projects, discussion, home assignment, cooperative learning, case studies, tutorial, field trip, seminar, conference, programmed instruction, etc. All strategies work in a particular situation or topic or may fail in another situation. No approach and strategy is perfect one. Before deciding strategy, we must think about learning experiences such as: is there enough space for involving learner, listening to them, performing activities and experiments, observing, reading, writing, discussing, and guiding them for further reading? Does it motivate to learn? Does it fulfill the objectives of teaching learning experiences? Am I comfortable with working on it? Decide about the approach and strategy yourself. Do not take it as suggested by others. Is it workable in the local situation? It is. Now try this.